Unlocking community bonds, the essence of front step gatherings. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a charming phrase that paints a picture of community and togetherness. Front step gathering. This concept may seem simple at first glance, but it's rich with cultural significance and social nuances. Let's unpack its meaning together and discover why it's more than just a casual meetup. Stay with us to learn how this phrase can add depth to your conversations and writings in English. Front step gathering refers to an informal assembly of people, typically neighbors or friends, congregating on the front steps or porch of someone's house. This setting is key because front steps serve as the literal and figurative threshold between the private domain of a home and the public sphere of the community. By gathering here, people create a space that's both welcoming and open, fostering a sense of community and accessibility. Front step gatherings are steeped in cultural significance. They echo a time when life was less hurried, and neighbors would spend evenings chatting, sharing news, and enjoying each other's company on their porches. This tradition highlights the importance of community bonds and the role of spontaneous, face-to-face interactions in strengthening these ties. In many cultures, these gatherings also symbolize openness and hospitality. They're a way for people to connect, offer support, and build friendships without the formalities of planned social events. Through these casual meetups, individuals demonstrate a willingness to be part of their community's fabric, showing that they're approachable and interested in the lives of those around them. Discussing or inviting someone to a front step gathering can be a warm gesture of inclusivity. It's an invitation to be part of a circle, a community. When you use this phrase in conversation or writing, you're not just talking about a physical gathering. You're evoking the spirit of togetherness, solidarity, and neighborly love. Understanding and using phrases like front step gathering can enrich your English by adding layers of cultural and emotional depth. It's a beautiful example of how language transcends mere words, becoming a bridge to understanding the values and traditions of different communities. We hope this exploration of front step gathering has illuminated its meaning and significance for you. It's a reminder of the beauty of community and the simple joys of connecting with those around us. As you continue your journey in English language learning, remember that phrases like these are keys to unlocking richer, more meaningful conversations. Thank you for joining us today. We're excited to bring you more insights into the English language and its cultural treasures. Until next time, keep nurturing your curiosity and your connections. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.